Hi, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's good. In the video today, I have got a gaming headset that Fifine did send out to me. So here it is. It's the gaming headset H9 by Fifine. So this is a really good gaming headset. We're going to have a look at that in a minute and just see the quality from this gaming headset, what it can produce, and the quality it has regarding this headset. Right, so here is the Fifine H9 wired gaming headset for immersive audio experience. So it's in Ampligain game Fifine selection here for gaming headsets. So this is high sound quality, 7.1 virtual surround sound with a powerful 50mm audio drivers, and it is compatible with Windows and Mac PCs. So this is it in the box. So just going to go through some specs on here. So you've got like a handy inline control, which is a USB inline, so you can connect it to your PC, Mac, PS4, 5, Xbox compatible. It's a durable headset cable as well. And then you've got this inline control here with the Fifine 3.5 connector, mic switch, volume control and headset, and the 7.1 virtual surround sound and volume control for mic. So that's the in control there. And on the side here you do have a detachable microphone, adjustable headband, comfortable soft material and cozy earmuffs. So I'm just going to open this now and let's have a look what you get inside the box. So as soon as you open the box, you get some instructions here, user guide for the H9. So that's what the headset looks like, which we'll have a look at in a minute. And it's just got all the instructions to set it up. I won't go into that, but that's what comes in the box. And then you've got a section here in the middle. So this is the detachable inline mic system. So you've got the mic here, which attaches to the headset. So you've got that in there, and there's the inline control. So you've got the 7.1 connection there, and you've got your volume for your mic and your headset, and it is, a really good cable as well. So you've got a really good cable there, so that's what comes in the middle. And then here is the headset. So this is the headset on its own. So let's just move that away from there. So it's got the classic Fifine smiley face there. So there's your right and your left side there. So looking at them, you can see you've got the left and the right earmuffs, so you know which ear to put it on. And just by looking at them, this is really soft. I don't know, it's like a memory foam, so when I do put these on, they should be quite comfortable. So yeah, I think the quality on them is really good. It feels really soft, so it's going to be soft to the ear as well. Like I said, Fifine, they do make good quality mics and headsets, and I have reviewed a few things from Fifine in the past. So they did reach out to me and sent this gaming headset out to me. So, I'm not being sponsored or paid or anything to review this product. So anything I do say will be my own opinion. So you've got the mic 3.5 cable there as well. But looking at the quality, it does feel quite nice. You've got this nice soft headband on here as well. But yeah, the earmuffs feel really comfortable. So that's what they look like outside the box. So I'm gonna get these on and test them out and see what they're like for gaming, and let you know my thoughts on these gaming headsets, especially with the 7.1 surround sound. I'm going to tell you what my thoughts are on that as well. So yeah, we will have a look and then I'll come back and tell you my thoughts on the Fifine gaming headset H9 Ampli-Gain by Fifine. Right, so I'm going to show you what it looks like on side your head. Just going to have a look at the aesthetics. So I have put the external mic on here, so this just slots in here, and then you've got the the left and right in the ear cushions there. Really soft to the touch as well, so really soft as well. So Fifine, do make really good quality. You've got the Fifine logo on the headband there, and you've got a really nice soft headband there. So I'm just going to put it on now. So that's what it looks like when you've got it on. So you've got the smiley face there on each side. They feel really comfortable on top of my head as well, and then you've got the adjustable mic, which I said just slots in there. So this is what the headset looks like when you've got it on your head, and when I've got it on here, it is very comfy around the earmuffs. It's really soft, like a really soft cushioning, so when you're gaming you're going to get that really good sound quality in there. So I'm just going to connect it up and play a game on my PC and just show you and tell you what the sound quality sounds like coming through this headset by Fifine. So I'm just playing Mortal Kombat. So yeah, I've got the headphones on and the sound quality is really good. I love this game. Oh dear. I haven't got the 7.1 on. Right. But I've got to say, the headset is very comfy. Yeah, the sound is really good for a budget headset. So I'm just going to turn that on. So that's the 7.1 audio. The 7.1 doesn't really make any difference, to be honest, but yeah, it just makes it a bit more trebly. But I do prefer it with the 7.1 off. So just going to turn it off here and just have it on the normal. Yeah, this sounds a lot better with the 7.1 on, so without the 7.1 on, so I wouldn't have that on. But yeah, I really do like Mortal Kombat. Okay, so what are my thoughts on the Fifine H9 gaming headset here? So yeah, this is a really good quality budget gaming headset by Fifine. Like I said, Fifine do make really good quality products, but for the price, I would say this is a decent gaming headset. The only thing I'd say is the 7.1 doesn't really make that much difference. It sort of puts the tone of the gaming in like a high treble sound stage, but when you turn that off and just have it on normal, you can hear all the all the sounds and everything like that. There's more depth to the audio that's coming through on that gaming headset. So it is a really powerful gaming headset. It's got 50mm drivers in the ears. Like I said, you've got the 7.1 surround, but that's up to you if you want to use that. But for me personally, I don't think it made a lot of difference regarding the audio on the game quality. I hope you did like the video. So I will leave a link below of where you can get this gaming headset from. You can get it from Amazon. I believe it's on Amazon at £45. There might be a bit of a discount going on, obviously with Prime Day coming up soon. So check it out on Amazon. If you do purchase it, do click on the link below that I'll leave in the description. It does help, because I do get a bit of a kickback on that if you click that link and purchase it. If you could like, comment and subscribe on this video, that would be much appreciated, as I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I hope to see you all soon again on my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. Have a nice day.